We are heading to LA.
Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna bring all this home.
Platform that has everything.
Just got to the airport. It is 15 minutes before boarding. This has been on my face for 18 hours. This sold out last year in 14 days. So it is currently 5 a.m. We are taking a slight detour today. We are heading to LA for a little bit more than 12 hours, I think 14 and a half hours to be exact. And we are going to a YouTube event. This is the same YouTube event I went to last year, and I am so excited to take you guys along with me. I feel like I just learned so much coming out of these events, and especially if you guys are thinking about starting your own social media, monetizing off your channels, like I'd love to share more tips with you guys if that's something that you're interested in. But let's get ready. We have about 45 minutes before I should head to the airport, so let's go. We are doing our hair downstairs just because I don't want to wake up my husband because it's only 5:15. Okay, this is the outfit. We are doing this denim vest from Abercrombie, mini skirt also Abercrombie, and then I'm pairing it with these knee-high boots. I love these shoes. I also feel like I need that extra height. Just got to the airport. It is 15 minutes before boarding. Made it through in less than 5 minutes. It is 8:05 and we made it. It's only 8:45. I got here a tad early. So we're gonna go get some coffee, rest, and get ready to go. I technically had coffee earlier today, but I need all the caffeine we can get.
Love. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna bring all this home. At least this year they put it on wheels because last year we were struggling.
I actually have no idea if they're gonna let me do carry-on for both of these items, so we'll see. Okay, I can't finish the vlog because my vlogging camera is in my bag, which I broke down 2 nails trying to shove it in my mouth. Just got home. It is just before 11. There was so much traffic at the airport, and naturally our flight was delayed. I actually don't know how much of the vlog you could actually hear me talking because I ended up putting my camera and my mic away, and then I shoved the bag underneath the seat. But because it technically didn't fit under the seat, I couldn't get anything out. So the entire flight, I also didn't have headphones because it was all in the bag, and I didn't want to do a whole thing about trying to get it back in and then shoving it back under the seat. It was just a whole thing. And there's so much stuff that we came home with, some of which I couldn't even bring because I didn't check in a bag. Well, Southwest got rid of the free bag policy, so I didn't want to check a bag. So anything over the size limit I gave to my friend that I had dinner with. Anything that also was too heavy, so one of the advent calendars I gave to him as well. They gave us 2 advent calendars, one for the 24-day Revolve advent calendar, and then one was the 12-day Revolve advent calendar. And then to be honest, I don't have a need for 2 advent calendars. And he also was like, oh, I've never had an advent calendar before. So it was perfect. It was perfect. We have so many goodies to unbox, which I will show you guys tomorrow because I am zapped. I will say my face, my foundation looks really good. There's no filter. Like, this has been on my face for 18 hours and I literally am gagged. So I think a lot of it is in the skincare prep. So I used my Peach and Lily toner. I used the Caudalie acne serum, and then I also used the Glow Recipe Pear serum, and then I used the Embryolisse moisturizer, which I picked up in Paris. And then my sunscreen is this one also from Paris that I picked up. Because of this, I didn't use a primer. I just used this as the primer because it's kind of like an optical blur. And then for my face, I used the YSL All Hours foundation, which like she's obviously all hours because this 18 hours. And then I also used the Tower 28 concealer. I feel like in terms of some of my blemishes, like you could see this one's like poking through a little bit, but again, all things considered, not too bad. And then I set my face with the Makeup Forever and the One Size setting spray. This is like makes your I think it's a combination of the foundation and this setting spray because I'm actually shocked at how well how good my makeup looks considering I haven't touched it up at all today. I literally went to the bathroom once. Like, wow, amazing. The one thing that didn't last, if you couldn't tell, are my nails. Well, I broke 3 nails trying to get the goodie bags onto the plane. And then while I was on the plane, no music, no sense of entertainment, I picked the rest of them off. I'm tired, but I feel so incredibly like grateful and thankful for opportunities like this. Like, I know I went in a little bit tired. I know I went in kind of nervous, like not knowing anybody. And it was truly such an amazing experience. I learned so many new tips. I met so many amazing creators that were so genuine and nice too. I think that like sometimes creators get like a bad rap for being entitled and snobby and, you know, like cliquey and, you know, all the things. And everyone that I met was so sweet. I mean, I went last year and it was an amazing experience, but going back this year as well, it truly is amazing. So all that to say, thank you. I would not be here without you guys and be able to do this. And so I cannot thank you guys enough. I need to take a shower. I am absolutely disgusting. But we will do the haul in 3, 2. It's really insane how I went to LA with one small Longchamp bag that had my like bag inside of a bag, extra battery pack, my camera, and a hoodie. And I left with a personal item that barely fit underneath the seat of an airplane. It definitely was too big to be a personal item, to be honest. And a full-size carry-on bag. Love. Okay, so let's go through everything that we got. So to be honest, I did have to give away some of the items already because they were either just too big, like the liquid size was too big, and I just like didn't want to check in a bag, so I did have to give away a couple items. But you know, YouTube is stocked with amazing items, so let's just jump right into it. Starting with this croc bag we love. I've actually seen these at like Bloomingdale's before, and I've always wanted one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but probably like a grocery bag, beach bag, like she's cute. And then inside the bag, we have another bag. This looks to be, oh, this is cute. Oh my God, they gave us a Madewell handbag in suede. Oh my God, this would be so cute for fall. That is actually so cute. Oh my God, I love. And we got the highly coveted Revolve Advent Calendar. This sold out last year in 14 days. So I did get last year's Advent Calendar, and by the time I had time to unbox it, unfortunately, she was sold out already. So really excited to open this. I got a sneak peek of what's inside already. So stay tuned. We will be doing this, and I'm hoping this video gets out before they sell out of these kits. Moving over to the big purple carry-on, which you cannot see, but I can see it, and it's too heavy to lift up. Like, this almost fell on me as I was like trying to put it up in the airplane, and this nice man had to help me. It was, yeah, it's heavy. Anyways, starting strong with Skims. Oh my God, this might actually be my first Skims item. Maybe, I actually don't know. This looks to be a cute little lounge set. Oh my God, these are so soft. Cute little lounge set in gray. Love. And then here's the matching top. Oh my god, these are so soft. Obsessed. And then I also got oh my god, I got a favorite daughter's hoodie. My work mom gave me a favorite daughter's hat for my birthday. I don't think she's like familiar with the brand Favorite Daughters, but because I'm her favorite work daughter. Oh my god, this is so cute. Favorite daughter hoodie. Oh, I love how oversized this is. This is so cute. And then the last clothing item we got from J. Crew. It looks to be a little cardigan. Oh my god, love. So cute. This is like right up my alley too. You already know there is no limit to beige sweaters. We love it. Okay, so the next thing we have are Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pros. Oh my god, I love cute little headphones. They also sent us home with these oven mitts. Like, how festive is that? Oh my god, it's so cute. And then we got this beautiful puffy makeup bag. Oh my god, wait, ooh, this is nice. I've been using this other puffy makeup bag that I got for my camera, so this is very nice. Love the color. Shark sent everyone home with a 2-in-1 hot tool and air glosser. So kind of a heated hair brush. I'm excited to try this. This would be really cool. I know a lot of people, they were able to do like a showcase bar for the hair tool that they have, which is in competition with the Dyson Airwrap. So I wish I had time to try that, because if it works just as good as the Dyson, it's like almost half the price. Like, take it as a win. I also got a mini Hugs. I actually know that I got this because this was flagged at the airport in TSA. They had to do like a whole test and scan of this. But this is a cute little weighted, I wonder if these are the ones you can microwave. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so you can heat and microwave this. My friend gave me a weighted plush for my birthday, for Christmas, for my birthday. And oh my god, so cute. Love. She is going to go in the microwave for days that I have really bad cramps. So we also have this Make Market Diamond Art Kit. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so it looks like we just take the little dots and then we stick it on the poster. I've been wanting to do more arts and crafts, so I feel like this is perfect. Also got a vitamin C gel moisturizer from Dr. Driss. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I've been wanting to try this. This one's really popular recently. So Lowe's gave everyone these toolboxes, and they had a whole station where you can do like stickers and washi tape to decorate this toolbox. And because we were limited on space, I had to put some of the skincare and beauty items in here. So here's everything that's inside. Starting with little fragrance, travel fragrances. 2 Innisfree products. We have the hyaluronic cream and we have the retinol. I do really like this brand. I use their mask and I do really like the mask. Oh, this is the peel off lip liner from Sachu. This has been really popular online, so I'm excited to try that. Oh my god, wait, these are so cute. These are little clay earrings with Christmas trees. I'm obsessed. And then we have lots of Fenty products. We have the lip luminizer and we have a lip line. And then Ole Henriksen, we have the lip treatment, which I do have one of these. I do love this one, this flavor specifically. And then we also have an e.l.f. Glow lip oil. Back to Fenty, we have another lip luminizer. Ooh, let's see what this color looks like. Oh, that's a pretty color. Look at that. It's like a dark brown. It's like a dark lip color. Love. And then we have a refillable fragrance antonym. I think this is going to be really good for travel, so I don't need to bring like the full bottle. And then we also have another Sachu lip elixir. And then in this little bag here, we have, oh my gosh, that is so cute. This is from Craft Spring. I think this is part of the Etsy partnership. Oh my god. And I think it's like a little bag charm. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, I can't believe, I assume this is handmade and the details are so intricate. From Laneige, they sent us home with Midnight Minis. We have 2 lip glowy balms, the sleeping and 3 sleeping masks in different flavors. I feel like these would be really good like stocking stuffers as well. We have 2 paint by number mini kits. Oh my gosh, this would be so fun for date night. Love. So it goes by the number and then you just like paint accordingly. I feel like this could be so fun and then we can see like whose looks better. Not that it's a competition. Ooh, this is a cashmere turtleneck from Uniqlo. I do really like their heat tech stuff. I was wearing these like underneath, especially when we travel to like Europe or New York for the winter. Essential. Okay, here is another paint party. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is for 4 people. This is a paint party kit. This looks like so much fun. I have been meaning to do more hosting just because, and things have just been so busy with like weddings and everything like that. So I cannot wait to try this. I feel like this would be so fun. Okay. And then here here are some more canvases to paint as well. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be busy this holiday season painting and crafting. This is a perfume, I think. Yeah, this looks to be a perfume in a very crafty looking box. Let's see. Whoa, this is what's inside. So cool. It does smell pretty good too. BK Beauty sent us these new brushes, which I have been using the BK Beauty brushes from last year, and yeah, this might be time to replace some of my old brushes for something like this. Oh, another Laneige. Oh, guys, I love Laneige. I use their moisturizer all the time. This includes the toner, the gel cleanser, the lip mask, and the moisturizer. Oh my god, and these are mini, so I feel like this would be perfect for travel. Love. This is the Fenty Beauty lip products. This is kind of cool. Some of these are like multicolor. 3-piece lip luminizer set. So I'm interested to see how that's gonna come off. And then we have this beautiful candle from Quince. This is in the scent Neroli Yuzu. I do love Yuzu. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wait, I cannot wait to burn this. This smells so good. It's a little bit fruity, but it's still very much like a clean scent. Love. We also have the ultra light stuffable bag for essentials. Stuff waist pack. Honestly, this would have been useful as I tried to pack everything to go home. Okay, I don't want to open this, but I feel like this could be really handy. Like, look at how compact that is. And then the last product we have is a pencil lip liner from Fenty. And then we also have a $20 gift card from Newegg. Amazing. And of course, how can we forget the bag that managed to carry everything back is the Hulkin medium rolly bag. And it's so funny because last year they gave us these massive tote bags, and thankfully I had my friend with me and we were carrying pans and like all this heavy stuff with the tote bag, and it was so heavy. So I'm glad we got these little rolly ones. Like, this actually saved my life. I don't know how I would carry all of this without this bag. And I feel like this would be really good to take to Costco because sometimes I just don't want to carry a cart. Like, I'm running in to get like 5 things. I don't really need a cart, so love that I can take this with me. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Fun little side trek from the regular day-to-day. I don't do this often, but anything for YouTube. I feel like I learned so much, got to connect with so many amazing people, so many amazing creators, and I feel like sometimes just being alone creating content like in here, it feels a little bit isolating because it's just me, it's my laptop, and I'm sitting here trying to think of ideas and, you know, video ideas and things like that. So just being surrounded by other people who kind of get it is really nice and it's really refreshing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the items mentioned I will include in the video as well. And then as I continue slowly using all of these products, they will eventually make their way into my monthly flops and faves. So anything that really stands out to me, it will be mentioned again. So keep an eye out for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I know I said this earlier, but I really get all of these opportunities because of you guys. And I cannot thank you guys enough. So thank you for being here. I'll leave another video for you guys here and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!